today's video I'll be explaining a Java program called as perfect square thread, which demonstrates the concept of multi-threading in Java. The main purpose of this program is to print the first and perfect square numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on, but with a 2-second delay between each number to show how threads can pause and resume execution. It helps us to understand the thread class and the sleep method in Java. So let's look at the code structure. We have a public class named as perfect square thread, which it extends the built-in thread, which means it becomes a thread and can run the code independently from the main program. Inside this class we have a run method where the actual task of the thread is written. So in this I will first print my ID and the first 10 perfect squares every 10 seconds. Over here we are using a loop. We are using a loop to calculate the squares. To make it display each number with a 2-second delay, we use the method thread.sleep 2000. Here 2000 milliseconds is equal to 2 seconds, and if the thread is interrupted during sleep, the exception is handled using inside a try catch block. Inside the main method, we are using t.start, which tells Java to start a new thread, which automatically calls the run method. This way the code runs concurrently with the main thread, showing how multi-threading works. So let's run the program and see. Okay, so over here there is an error. The error was due to a spelling mistake in the program. So let's run the program and see. So it first prints my URK number, and then it prints the first 10 perfect square numbers every 2 seconds, as we can see. Let's run the program again so that we can see clearly. So here it takes a 2-second delay between printing each square of the number. That is, the square of 2 is 4, then the square of 3 is 9, but it is getting printed every 2 seconds. So this is how the thread works in Java. So that is how the program demonstrates how Java multi-threading using the thread class and sleep method. It is a simple example to understand how threads work in Java. We are using it to run independently or with delays. It is used for animations, timers, background calculators, and periodic updates. It helps us simulate a timed process that prints the results gradually. Thank you.